I bet you have no idea what I have right in front of me. This thing has saved my back so many times, and clearly it's been used, as you can tell. These things are great. What's sent for my review, they come in a 4-pack just like this, but they come with other things that I'm gonna show you exactly how to use. But essentially what it is, it's to prevent from basically moving furniture that's way too heavy and kind of like having to lift it up, or I used to put it on a towel or on a big sheet and kind of just like drag it to make sure that I was not ruining the floor and also not ruining my back, right? But now, and now you're gonna see that on the B-roll, my wife just can literally walk around with the sofa, with any piece of furniture, with the couch, just rolling it all over the place. These are super nice rollers. Look at this, great wheels, 360, so there's really no direction. You could literally just grab any kind of piece of furniture and roll it around and put it anywhere you need. Now, big question is, most people are like, well, I still need to put it on top of this. Well, check this out. This is why this is the first time I've ever seen this. I've seen these before, and some like movers, professional movers have used this in front of me. This, never. Really cool. You do have rollers right here to kind of like help you. But what you would do is literally, I could have a fridge here, roll under, look at this, with kind of like a fulcrum, lift the fridge, and then be able to just slide the rollers underneath, and then boom, and then go on to the other side, lift, and put the other one out. I think that is super useful. I mean, they've literally thought of everything. And speaking of thinking of everything, you probably see these little holes right here. Well, this is where this kind of shines, because as you can tell, this is a flat surface. Yes, you can use, let's say your fridge could literally stand on this and be fine. It's not gonna slip around because it's so heavy. But maybe you got a piece of furniture that has legs, maybe it's a table. Check this out. This little kind of adapter will sit right here. Let me move this and I'll show you. Will sit right here, and then you've got a bag full of these, this is metal by the way, these metal kind of inserts right here, and I'm going to go and build very quickly. As you can see, I'm building it like this, like that, and like this, and all of a sudden now, this is not going anywhere. That leg is going to stand right here and not move, as you can see. And the other thing too is that they're thinking too, sometimes we do have pieces of furniture that have wheels, but they're not great. They're not wheels like these, right? So having a piece of furniture that has a wheel, but you want to kind of like move it a lot easier, well, check this out. This actually has the wheel kind of like, the wheel can sit here and not move. So maybe you have wheels on one side, maybe there's even a wheel that's broken. You wanna, keep it on a nice level surface that can actually move around all over the place. I think this thing is great. It's invaluable if you're moving stuff around, but honestly, just to have in the house, because just like us, we're always moving things around, maybe a bed that we want to say, hey, we're rearranging a room, this is definitely coming in handy.